How to be happy by imagining loss. What if I told you that thinking about losing things could make you happier? Sounds crazy, right? But ancient philosophers called Stoics did this all the time, and they were some of the most content people in history. What is this about? The Stoics had a simple trick. They would imagine losing things they loved: their house, their job, their health, even people they cared about. This wasn't to be negative, it was to appreciate what they had right now. Think about it. When was the last time you really noticed your morning coffee, or felt grateful for your bed? We get used to good things so fast that we stop seeing them. Why this works: imagine your phone broke and you couldn't get a new one for a month. Suddenly, every text you could send would feel special. Every photo you could take would matter more. That's what this exercise does. It wakes you up to how good your life already is. Seneca was one of the richest men in Rome, but sometimes he would eat cheap food and sleep on the floor, just to remember how lucky he was the rest of the time. How to do it? Start simple. Tonight, imagine your car won't start tomorrow. How would you get to work? What would you do? It's scary when you think it through. Or picture your favorite restaurant closing forever. You'd miss it, sure, but you'd also realize how many other places you could eat. Try imagining your best friend moving far away. Feel that sadness for a moment. Then text them and tell them you appreciate them. See how much better that message feels. The big picture: everything in your life is temporary. Your job, your health, the people you love, nothing lasts forever. This sounds depressing, but it's actually freeing. When you accept that things change, you stop taking them for granted. You start enjoying them more while you have them. Marcus Aurelius was the most powerful man in the world. He could have anything he wanted, but he wrote in his diary, "Remember that everything is just for a moment." Make it daily each morning. Pick one thing you normally ignore. Maybe it's having hot water in your shower, or being able to see clearly, or having a roof over your head. Spend 30 seconds imagining life without it. Then notice how it feels when you experience it for real that day. The real benefit: this isn't about being pessimistic, it's about being realistic. Bad things will happen, people will leave, things will break. But when you've already thought about these possibilities, they don't shock you as much. You handle them better, and you enjoy the good times more because you know they won't last forever. The bottom line: most people chase happiness by getting more stuff or better circumstances. The Stoics found happiness by appreciating what they already had. They did this by regularly imagining losing it all. It made them grateful, strong, and peaceful. Your life is probably better than you realize. You just need to see it clearly. And sometimes, imagining it's gone is the best way to see how good it really is. Try it tonight. Pick one thing you take for granted. Imagine losing it. Then go enjoy having it while you can.